Hello, payment pioneers! Introducing TouchSuite, merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to dive into the world of secure transactions? Today, we're going to explore a crucial topic: how to set up a payment processor. A step-by-step guide with over 20 years of experience, working alongside 50,000 plus merchants and partnerships, including Wells Fargo, FFB, and more, plus providing domestic US support 24/7 365. We're here to guide you through this crucial aspect of your business. But before we begin, if you find this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below. Your engagement fuels our commitment to providing you with valuable content. Now, let's delve into the world of payment processing. Understanding payment processing. To embark on the journey of setting up a payment processor, it's essential to grasp the fundamentals. Payment processing involves a series of steps that facilitate the transfer of funds from a customer's account to the merchant's account. This section will delve into the key components of payment processing, providing a foundational understanding for readers. Choosing the right merchant account. One of the first steps in setting up a payment processor is selecting the right merchant account. This decision is crucial, especially for businesses categorized as high risk, such as those in the CBD or credit repair industries. We'll explore the criteria for high-risk merchant processing and guide you through the process of obtaining a suitable merchant account for your business needs. Exploring high-risk payment processing. Businesses operating in high-risk industries face unique challenges when it comes to payment processing. This section will delve into the specifics of high-risk payment processing, addressing the concerns and regulations that businesses need to navigate. From understanding high-risk merchant accounts to choosing a high-risk payment gateway, this step-by-step guide ensures a comprehensive approach. E-commerce payment processing essentials. For online businesses, a robust e-commerce payment processing system is non-negotiable. Here, we'll explore the intricacies of e-commerce payment gateways, merchant accounts tailored for online transactions, and the nuances of accepting credit cards for e-commerce. Whether you're a startup or an established online retailer, this section will guide you through the essential elements of a seamless e-commerce payment process. Navigating credit repair merchant processing. Credit repair services often fall into the high-risk category, requiring specialized payment processing solutions. Learn about the unique considerations when setting up credit repair merchant accounts, payment gateways, and how to accept credit cards for credit repair services. Decoding CBD merchant processing. The CBD industry presents its own set of challenges in payment processing due to its association with high-risk transactions. Uncover the intricacies of setting up CBD merchant accounts, exploring CBD payment gateways, and understanding how to accept credit cards for CBD products. Building a secure payment gateway. Security is paramount in payment processing. In this section, we'll discuss the importance of secure payment gateways, the role of encryption, and how to safeguard credit and debit card information. Understanding the technical aspects of a secure payment processing system is crucial for both merchants and customers. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the world of payment processing. If you found this guide helpful, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and explore TouchSuite's website for cutting-edge merchant and payment processing and POS systems. Secure your transactions, stay informed, and until next time, goodbye.